Dipontsho tsa Maluti Phofung brings you an outdoor all-white night fashion and catwalk this spring with guest artist Somizi Mhlongo. All-white night Aparang Maluti will be exhibiting and showcasing local fashion designers' work as well as models' runway catwalk live on the street of Mampoi Road. White Nightlife Aparang Maluti will be on the 28th September 2017 along Mampoi Road at Naledi Mall in Phuthaditjhaba. Entrance is free only if you are dressed in white that night. Come, see and get entertained with good music and dance. See you there.
That's how you come out of the closet.